Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video on the Filmora application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to add text to your video, just go to the left, the lower bar, and click to the third icon, the text. Click to the add button, and here you can just type your text. You can set a different font, different colors, and different keys. You can find different templates, arts for this, and you can select animation and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.